Hello everyone, here is a continuation of previous video. So from base 10 to base n, from the result 88 square equals 774 to 66 base 8 square equals 5544 base 8, and to general case bb base n square equals aa44 base n. So after the previous video, I received a comment from a viewer stating that this result, it looks interesting, and I decided to do some calculation, especially for this. In base 8, 66 is 6 times 8 plus 6, and the square will be equals to 48 plus 6 square, that is 54 square, and this is 2916. And for 5544 base 8, it is 5 times 8 power 3, 5 times 8 square, and 4 times 8, and 4 times 1. So this will be 2560, 320, 32, and 4, and it's indeed 2916. So 5544 base 8 is equals 66 base 8 squared. That is very interesting. So based on the result listed here, we can come up with a general pattern that is aa44 base n must equals to some bb base n squared. And in this case, a equals n minus 3 and b equals n minus 2. So obviously, n must be greater than or equals to 5. We shall look at whether this is always true. So aa44 base n is actually equals to a n power 3, a n squared, 4 of n, and 4. And for this, I can write as n plus 1, a n squared. And for this is obviously 4n plus 1. And this is a n squared plus 4 and n plus 1. If n equals n minus 3, then aa44 base n equals n plus 1. And this a is n minus 3 n squared plus 4. So it is n plus 1, n power 3 minus 3 n squared plus 4. And for n cubed minus 3 n squared plus 4, it can be written as n plus 1 n squared plus 4, and this is minus 4n. So it is n plus 1 squared, and this is n minus 2 squared. So the left hand side equals n plus 1 squared times n minus 2 squared. And for the left hand side, bbn squared, it is bn plus b squared. So this is n plus 1b squared, that is n plus 1 squared b squared. And now b equals n minus 2, so this n minus 2 squared. So right hand side equals n plus 1 squared times n minus 2 squared, which is exactly the same as the left hand side. And therefore now we confirm that this is true. So now once you see the pattern, proving it algebraically isn't actually that hard. But noticing the pattern in the first place, that is really beauty. In mathematics, the observation often leads to the way to the proof. That's all for today's discussion. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.